Hi there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Garcia. What we are going to be working on today is we're going to be working on box 3 of our learning board. Now we're going to be comparing and contrasting the two different characters in the story. Okay, now what your task is to listen to the story of the week, which is Giggle Giggle Quack Quack by Doreen Cronin. And you're going to use a Venn diagram like this one right here to compare and contrast Farmer Brown versus Bob. Now, your Venn diagram is going to look just like these two circles, just a little bit bigger, okay? So we're going to talk a little bit about when we compare and we contrast, what exactly are we doing? Now, basically what you're telling me whenever you're comparing and contrasting, you're telling me in the middle here, what do Farmer Brown and Bob have that are the same? And then on these sides, what do they have that are different, okay? So on this side of the circle, you would tell me everything about Farmer Brown. Maybe you would like to list how he looks, how he dresses. Maybe he has a different job than Bob. What does he exactly do? Same for this side. You would talk about Bob. What is Bob? What does Bob do? How does Bob dress? What does he look like? How is he different? Maybe Farmer Brown's really silly and maybe Bob is really serious. You would use these outside circles to tell me everything about Farmer Brown, everything about Bob. Now in the middle right here, what you would do is you would compare them. You'd tell me what they have that are the same. Now what I wanted to tell you right here is whenever we talk about our Venn diagrams that we're using to compare characters, we want to use comparing words when we're talking about what's in the middle right here. We're going to say they both have lived on a farm. They are similar or the same because this is that. Also, or two, Farmer Brown has has the same animal as Bob. You can say as well as. That would be for the middle here. That's how we compare them. Now, when we contrast them, which means when we say what they have that are different, you could say, however, Farmer Brown has a duck, however, Bob does not. Now, these are just examples. They're not something that's true. What you would do is you would listen to the story and you would make your own contrasting ideas, okay? You could say in contrast. You also can say what do they have that differ or that are different. You can also say on the other hand, okay? Now remember, your Venn diagram is going to look just like this, just a little bit bigger. What you might want to use is maybe a pan from mom's kitchen, maybe dad's kitchen or grandma's kitchen, a saucepan. That would work perfectly, and kind of just trace it with your pencil. That would work perfect. If not, then you can just freehand it. Now remember that doesn't matter how your Venn diagram looks. Nope. Do they have to be perfect circles? No, they do not. Remember, just try your best. And as long as you're trying your best is good enough. I hope you all have a great day and happy learning. Bye-bye.